Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's show you this 2008 Honda Accord sedan color red. And I'm going to give you all a tour of the Honda Accord, start the engine, show it off, go over some of the performances and a bunch of the features and datas on the interior and the exterior. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and start your engines. This color is known as a dark red color exterior. With tan cloth interior. Very nice car. First time checking out a 2008 Honda Accord. I think we might have a dead battery. Let's see. Yeah, she's dead. Let's try it in neutral. Oh, she's dead. Okay, we can get a jump box there and just jump it off. Okay, let's try number 2. We have a jumper box in. Oh, that's a whole lot better.
Since I got cruise line on track, it's like having a...
Well, that's the problem was just the battery. Battery's still good in it. It's got 70,000 miles. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and put the hazards on. Headlights. Both the front windows are automatic. And let's take a look at the exterior. Place to put your fuel cap. Okay, we do have one license plate light out. Alright, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. Alright, let's go ahead and pop the hood. This 2008 Honda Accord comes with a 2.4 liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine with the IV Tech, with an EPA estimated miles per gallon on regular unleaded gasoline is 21 city, 31 highway. Car sounds just like brand new. Alright, let's take a look at the interior now. Alright, let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Very nice. Easy to use climate control.
Who doesn't speak English to buy a copy of Rosetta Stone before it happened. Either.
Trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no listen. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Trying to.
Very nice. Place to put your sunglasses. Got your cup holders. Alright, we're going to cut off the car and we'll check out the rest of the vehicle. But first, let's just make sure the vehicle starts. Oh, that wasn't too smart. Let's try neutral. Oh, throw the jump box back in and we'll start up again and let it run. Okay, she's back in place again. Let's start there and let it run. I'm going to leave the window open. Now let's check out the rest of the vehicle. I've never seen this car have a battery issue like this before. Well, it's probably because I shut the car off too soon without letting it charge soon enough, and I had to jump it off again. I'm pretty sure the battery's still good in it. I'll let the owner know inside. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Very nice. Okay, I apologize if I didn't mention again. It says both front windows are fully automatic. It's got the power windows, power locks, it's got the power mirrors. The power mirror controls are located on the driver's door. This car has 70,000 miles. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed the in-depth tour of the 2008 Honda Accord Sedan Color Red. Be sure to stay tuned. There's a whole lot more where this came from. Have a good day, folks.